Ka kunhun ki MDC jonga ke HADC hapo ka jingelam jong CEM uba titas tarwal khain kilalej baniakran halor ka jing PYNTREIKAM ya ka Code of Criminal Procedure but ka Code of Civil Procedure ha ka jela Meghalaya barok away. Naga liang jong menteri RANGBAH ka jelau Konrad ke sangma uyang ha kanong rim ba ka jing PYNTREIKAM ya ka CRPC but ka CPC kanom kta ya ki bor bishar jong ka District Council namar ki District Council ki yo ya ka bor ban bishar na ka para 4 but para 5 ka 6 schedule haba pun sengau hagelat pathai ku bor hadin balawai ke jingelang. Menteri RANGBAH ka jelau lapan syai bahasa ki MDC jong ka KHADC ba kanom kta ya ki bor jong ki District Council. Kene ke jing benar jong sarkar kalong tang na kabanta gitu ki INGBISHAR dei na ki DC ki pemensua bat mentala pihak ya ke jing PYNTREIKAM hapadeng ki INGBISHAR bat ki officer. Naga liang jong ba titas tarwel khanyu badeu CEM jong ke HADC ulong bawat la ke sarkar kalapan syai ya kane naga council pat kandang ya penbej singi baniakran ya kane kapang ledakin pediang nikin kentaj on sa simpat ya karai. CEM jong ke HADC ulong bah kate ke jingelang ki klem pat ai gano ka kular. Ulong ru baka council kan sa penlong biang ya kejing kendu para MDC namar gane kade ke kam ka baom la ban rai kerki Henry don kam bani syong perkhan biang.
The issue of the CRPC and the notification that had come out. As you're aware that the state government and the cabinet had deliberated this particular issue more than 3 times in the cabinet, and also we have discussed this matter with the District Council. This is the second time that we're having this meeting to clear off all the confusion or misunderstanding or differences that could be there. And the message that we have given to the District Council is that the entire purpose of really coming out with this notification is to allow the judicial magistrate to continue the work and the functions that were being done by the ADC judiciary when the executive and judiciary was not segregated. That is the only intention and objective of this notification, nothing beyond that. And the question of diluting the powers of the district council or interfering in the village courts or changing the procedures in the district council is absolutely not there. So there's no question the provisions and the powers of the district council courts are protected by the provisions in the Constitution. And a notification, no matter how many times we may change things, the wording we may change, anybody can try to interpret the notification in any way. The most important protection that the district councils and the courts and district councils have is through the provisions of para 4 and 5 in the 6th schedule. And hence, no notification will supersede that. The intention and the spirit and objective of this notification is purely and purely simply to complete and regularize the process of separation from executive from the judiciary, so that now that the ADC judiciary is not there anymore, the district session judge and the court can function and do their jobs as was being done by the ADC judiciary. So that was where confusion was. There were concerns by the district council that the cases between tribals and tribals will now be shifted. We have very clearly said there's no question of that. Under para 4, it has been clearly defined that these kind of cases will be tried by the district council courts. So even if any notification or even if there's any kind of cases that were to go, the district council's courts will prevail and their stand will prevail because it is protected by the Constitution. So these clarifications were made, and I'm pretty sure that after a number of rounds of discussion, I'm sure that the council also is more or less convinced, and we are moving ahead with this spirit and with this objective that the district council courts and their powers will not be diluted in any way, and this entire exercise is only to regularize the separation between the executive and the judiciary.
Na kaliang kejungi wilayah kendu ya chief minister dan bagi deputy chief minister bagi minister bagi officer ke na kaliang kejungi ila ada biar discuss biar mentan ketika notification kepada government kepada dengan syukur apa ni tu ini ba na kaliang kejungi mentan saya kendu saya ke sini step ya kapan sim ke final court kalau ini pada hoi lapor suku ini ba kum bakalong gani notification kan num tai IAKI district council court kejungi nangkai ki subordinate code bat kunjuk du ya ki village code kabamut hi ka CrPC bat CPC kan nom apply ha ki code ki ni namar bangi ngidon ya ka constitutional provision ya ka kum ka para code bat para right joka constitution te bat hak bencing ada lu bat ki case kiba dei hap deng ki tribal bat ki tribal ni ka trial kadang dei hi bat ki district council code ini ki district session code kinum la ban try ya ke jing ada hap deng ki tribal dan tang iwe ki case kiba let's say kiba ki code ki jongi kim ju try untuk pokso ba kiwe ki criminal case ya kini kan kaju i ka spirit na chu ang lengkap ibi kaju i ka spirit kaba ngijule baru kata kani kan continue wilayah keren bah namar ba ngamkwa ang ni ban keren ma gini ki legal aspect legal matters kiba ladangi issue expose akan notification ru teng kala ban manra ka misinterpretation dan kata-kata ngikwa ba notification ikan long simple nang ba kan nomwan ra pat ka misinterpretation da kumwipan yang kata ro la pen syah yangi ba kan nom dilute ya ka powers ka jungi namar balik kum kalau orang itu ba ka powers ka jungi ka district council code ba ki additional subordinate code ba ki village code kin trikam ba kum baju trai kuat kum ka spirit jongka CrPC abamut kan in letter kan nom apply kalau mentang ngidang ya ngidang siwan kum ni ni palai kan nom final decision kalau saya sa